This model kit reviews of the Ferrari 612 Scaglietti. It's a 124 scale model by Revell, and not my favorite Ferrari. Not really a fan of that design. Looks more like a regular sedan. Here's some of the dimensions and colors needed, and over here is a picture of the finished model. Some of the parts listing, or the parts used. Let's have a look inside. Looks like we have a lot of parts here. Let's start off over here with our body. So it's quite a big car. Molding quality is really good. Got some recessed lines, no flashing, no mold lines. Here is our dashboard, air conditioning, our windshield wipers, and probably the trunk hinge there, or the hood hinge. Here are our wheels. Quite hard, these really hard, probably vinyl, but some nice tread on there. So here we have, looks like our rear transmission with differential, steering wheel, steering column, other parts of our transmission. Here are wheel disc brakes, and looks like parts of our suspension there. Over here we have our glass, nicely molded. Using our headlights here. Let's look at these remaining parts here. We have our chrome parts inside here. Lots of chrome. Not really a fan of the way that they molded this. But there are the chrome wheels. Here's our chrome grille. And our the chrome for the headlights. Steering wheel is even chrome. Pedal box. This is the probably part of the engine cover, engine bay cover. Here's our hood, bumper. We've got some valve covers. It looks like an air intake here. And we have some engine parts here. Lots and lots of parts here for the engine. Exhaust parts, radiator fans, those are actually nicely molded. Here we have our suspension, that's also nicely molded as part of the chassis. Here's our rear suspension. We have our wheel wells, and here are our sun visors and the rear mirror. Exhaust parts, suspension parts here as well, and our steering. And these are the wheel hubs, and then our air intake for the front bumper. These are the front and rear pan to cover the engine bay. We have seats. This is a 2+2, so we've got two front seats. Here are the backs of the seats. They go onto the cockpit. Here are the two rear seats. Here's our front wheel wells, dash cover, and inside the door panels. So let's have a look at our instructions and decals. So for the decals, we've got lots of different license plate options, lots of decals that are nicely printed. Here are the colors needed, some details about the car. We start to build the engine, lots of detail options here, and transmission, exhausts, radiator. Put all that onto the chassis, and then put our fenders, our shocks, wheel hubs on. And the rear chassis is built with the exhaust parts and wheel well. And the front is built with the steering rack. And wheels are put on. The cockpit is then built and painted. Dashboard's put on. And the engine compartment cover is put on, as well as the hood. And remaining parts including headlights, glass, bumpers. That's all mounted onto the chassis, and including the mirrors and windshield wipers, and then decal and paint guide. So, all in all, very detailed model, well molded. That'll be a good build.